In 2017, I won the Other World section at the World of Wearable Art. My prize included a residency at Richard Taylor's incredible Weta Workshop here in Wellington. I decided to use my time there to create a bespoke sculpture to benefit Dress for Success, a charity that does so much to help people into employment. So I designed and created this oversized shoe. In the 125th year of New Zealand women's suffrage, it represents putting your best foot forward, blossoming and flourishing. The generous team at Weta Workshop taught me invaluable sculpting techniques: moulding, casting, finishing, painting, and gold leaf work. The shoe is solid resin, and there is only one. It is incredibly special, one of a kind.